Hello there, family and friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back on the road. But first of all, let me congratulate all the ones that have been, they're so excited. And I got so many people that passed it and got their CDLs and went to CR England school. I have so many emails and so many people, Joey Jones, I got my permit. I just passed the road test and people are moving on. And people are just, there's a lot of views, man. And I'm so happy for you, man. God bless you all. I've been praying for all my viewers, all my subscribers, man. And that's awesome. It can be done. Don't feel intimidated by anyone. And don't let anybody put you down. Just always think positive and trust me, it can be done, man. If I did it, you can do it too. You don't need to be a nerd or one of those genius to know it all, man. All you have to do is just repetition. That's it. That's just read it over and over and over. That's all you have to do, and just remember it. That's all you have to do, and don't feel intimidated by no one. Okay, it can be done. I'm gonna give you actually, where if you go to Swift or any school that you go to, they will give you the tools. They will give you the website so you can log into, and then they will give you the questionnaire. But then again, you can go through that. You can read that over. And then I'm going to give you DMV Genie. That's pretty good too. That one will help you a lot, because you can it'll give you the answers and the questions for the general, for the air brakes and the combination. And all you have to do is just, it's like a quiz. You test it, it'll correct you or not. And then after you do it over and over, then you will know which one to get the correct answer. So all you have to do is just go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store, and Google Store actually, and you type in DMV Genie. That's it. Then you do DMV Genie, and after you type in DMV Genie, it's gonna ask you what state is you from. You put down your state and what are you gonna study for, either CDL, vehicle, or motorcycle. And just type in on CDL, and then just take the test. Just take the test and just study it over and over and over. And again, study it with your book. And trust me, it can be done. And I always said it, and I'm gonna say it in this video: trucking is not for everybody. Okay? Now, if you want to know if it's for you, then the only way that you will know is that you give it a try, man. It is what it is. Give it a try. And if you feel it in your heart that it's for you, or you want, just pray and ask God, is it for me or not? Because that's what I do. That's all I do, and that's the only way I can move around here. When you make decisions, you want to know, and then just pray. That's it. Do a little prayer, and you'll be all right, man. Trust me. I know, because I did it and I done it, and I'm grateful, and I'm so happy, man. And all of you, I got females, I got males that have passed it and got their permits, and trust me, man, it can be done, man. It can be done. Change your life, and focus on your, focus when you're backing up like that. See, get out and look, man. You always gotta get out and look. See, like this one here, sometimes after a while you don't use the get out and look, but yeah, I highly recommend you to get out and look, because you never know what's behind you. All right, my peoples. So thanks a lot, man. Thank you for the comments, man. And again, God bless you all. Love you all. And Joey Jones is here. If you need any questions, trust me. I mean, if I can answer, I will answer you. If I have the answer, then I will answer you. If not, I will give you a hint, or I will do my best. Okay. So again, my email is jonesallwearonsky@gmail.com. I'm gonna have it on the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. So you know how it is. Don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. I love you all. God bless you all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.